Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Prius language, updated. Start with the car off and put the system into accessory mode by pressing power without starting the engine, then tap Setup on the screen. Go to General, select Language, pick your preferred option and confirm. If prompted, agree to restart the system. I'll guide you through menus, button presses, and troubleshooting in a calm, step-by-step way. Changing language often differs by Prius model, so check which infotainment you have and whether you use touchscreen or knobs. Use the menu or Setup button, navigate to General or System, then choose Language. Some models list languages by native names, others by English labels, so scroll carefully and tap Apply or OK. If the display resets, allow reboot and verify units and voice guidance settings are intact. I'll explain common variations and quick fixes. Quick recommendation: if you pack snacks while working on car settings, consider leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and mess-free storage. They seal tightly, stack neatly in a glove box, and save time between steps. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals on these containers. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If language fails to change, try a soft reset by turning the car off, waiting 30 seconds, and restarting the system. Check for available software, updates via Toyota app or dealer if labels are missing or menus are unresponsive. Disconnecting and reconnecting the 12V can clear persistent errors, but only if you're comfortable and no radio presets will reset. Keep an eye on backup camera and voice prompts after changes. I'll walk through safe troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.